Assalamualaikum and good day to everyone. I am Amshah Wafiq and I will starting our presentation today. Our presentation today is about our program UiTM Student Health Portal. Our slide today contains 8 parts. 1. Team introduction. 2. Project summary. 3. Objective. 4. Analysis IPO. 5. Design algorithm. 6. Demo of the C++ program. 7. Conclusion. And for the last is Q&A. First of all, I will be introducing my team members. First, Muhammad Irfan Aiman bin Azlan. Second, Muhammad Afiq bin Nur Shamsul Azlan. Third, Aiman Afiq bin Afifuddin. We are all from class RCDCS 1101D. Next, I will explain our group project summary. In short, our project aims to provide a comprehensive health management platform for students and staff at UiTM Arau, reducing time from doing and submitting the form and increase users' accessibility at any time. The program will start once the users enter the student's or staff name and ID. Then, the program will showcase a menu option consisting booking an appointment, health tips, BMI calculator, calories calculator, and emergency contact. The program will enter a loop that first asks user to enter their service option code that the user wants.
Hi, I'm Afif, and today I will explain to you the 3.0 objective. For number one, improve the access to healthcare services, to simplify the appointment scheduling, improve the communication with the healthcare provider, and reduce the waiting time. For the number two, provide the mental health support, integrate the mental health resources, add the support feature, promote the student well-being. And number three, evaluate and continuously improve. Gather the user feedback, enable continuous improvement, adapt to your UiTM student evolving needs. And number four, promoting the preventive care, promote a culture of the preventive care, provide the reminder for student, of offer the educational resources for the UiTM student.
Next, we have analyze input process output. First, we have the input, which are user provided data such as weight, height, activity type, symptom input, appointment selection, and payment status. These values are essential for generating accurate health assessment and booking. Next, the process section. We initialize global variable that store key information such as VMI value, calories burns, doctor assignments, and booking status. These variables are used throughout the system to manage the health calculation and appointment. One of the main process in our system is BMI calculation. The systems compute BMI using the formula weight divided by height square. Based on the result, it categorizes the user as underweight, normal, overweight, or obese. Next, for the calories burn calculation, the system estimates the number of calories burned based on the user selected activity type. It assigns a MET value, metabolic equivalence of tasks, to different activities like running, swimming, cycling, and walking. The formula used is weight multiplied by duration and MET value. If an invalid activity is entered, no calories are counted. Next is for appointment booking. The system assigns doctor based on symptom. Like example, if the user select flu, they are assigned to Dr. Ali. If no selection is made, the booking remains unconfirmed. Next is a blood test and payment. If a blood test is required, a fee is added to the total payment. Once the payment is made, the booking status update is confirmed. Otherwise, it remains pending payment. For the next process is health tips. This system provide health tips based on user input. For example, selecting food such as eating more vegetable, while exercise recommend 30 minutes of daily activities. For the error handling, invalid menu or appointment selections, clear error message to guide user. Like example, if menu selection is invalid, then error message equal to invalid menu choice. For the last is output. The system provides several key output to user. It displays selected menu options and appointment details, including the assigned doctor, booking status, total payment. BMI results are shown, including the calculated value and category. Calories burned are displayed based on the activity input. Also, health tips are provided according to the selected category, while emergency contact details such as phone number, address, and operating hours are accessible. If any errors occur, the system generates a clear message to help user correct the input.
In this slide, we are going through the design algorithm, which is the pseudocode for our program. As we begin the program, there are two procedures on the slide. The first procedure is display menu. This way, the user can see what are the options and what are the services that they can select. And for the second procedure, which is displaying emergency contact, this shows and displays all of the information about the emergency contact. For the second slide, the program will display "Welcome to UiTM Arau Health System." The user will input the student name, student ID, and then the system will call the function display menu, and then the user will input the choice. Whichever choice will determine which case the system will use. If the user inputs first choice, which is booking appointment, the user will get the chance to choose which one to 6 of the options that the user has. If the user choose option 2, the procedure called health tips will be called. And for option 3, the user will be able to calculate their BMI. For option 4, the user will be calculate how many calories they burn throughout the day. And for option 5, the function called display emergency contact will be called to the program. On the third slide, the program will display "Welcome to your UiTM Arau Health System." After this, the user will input the student name and student ID. And after that, the system will call the display menu to call the procedure display menu. And then the user input the choice. After inputting the choice, if user inputs the first choice, which is booking an appointment, it will show 1 to 6 option, which is fever, cough, skin rash, toothache, eye pain, mental health, and blood test donation. And the user will input which one of these choice does the user would like to use. And for the second option, health tips, the program will call the function health tips. For the third option, BMI calculator, if user use this option, it will calculate the user's BMI. For the fourth option, it will calculate the calories burned for that day. And for the fifth option, which is for the last slide, the program will display "Do you want to continue?" The user have the choice to input Y or N. Y is for yes and N is for no. If the user inputs Y, the program will restart from the beginning until the user inputs N, which is no. If the user inputs N, it will display the summary, which is booking summary, student name, student ID, doctor's assigned, and it will also display other details like BMI and calories burned. And after that, the program will end. So we are going to do a demo of our program. We are going to put in the sample input, which is 0024 6623 74. Okay, here it displays the menu. It has 1 to 5 options, which are the services. First is booking an appointment. Second, health tips. Third, BMI calculator. Fourth, calories calculator. And fifth, emergency contact. Let's choose the first option. Select a disease or service from the following list. There are 6 options. First is fever, cough, flu. Second, skin rash, acne. Third, toothache, cavity. 4, eye pain, blurry vision. Fifth is mental health. And sixth, blood test and donation. We are going to be choosing the 6th option. A prompt will appear. Do you want to continue? Press Y to for yes and N for no. And for the second option, which is health tips, it will be displaying. Select a category for health tips. There are 4 options. First is about food. Second is about activities. Third is about disease. Fourth is about prevent diseases. Let's choose the 4th option. A menu will display showing 5 tips. And for option 3, which is calculating for BMI, we are going to be inputting the weight, height, and the BMI is normal. And for option 4, which is calories calculator, 67 kg, 60 minutes, so walking. And here it will show how much we burn calories approximately from our activity and the duration of our activity. And lastly, option 5, which is emergency contact. It will show the your item Aro Health emergency contact. The emergency contact name is Muhammad Arif bin Awang. Phone number, address, and hours available. As you can see, Saturday and Sunday, the place is closed. And that is all. If you want to end the program, just press end. After ending the program, it will show the booking summary, your name, your ID, and doctor's assigned if you pick the option from 1 to 6. And then other details, your BMI and calories burned if you use the BMI calculator and the calories calculator. And that is all.
For the conclusion, the UiTM Student Health Portal is a vital resource designed to support students' health and well-being. It provides easy access to a variety of health services and resources, empowering students to take proactive steps towards maintaining and improving their health. With comprehensive information on health service, convenient online appointment scheduling, and a wealth of health resources, students can stay informed and receive timely medical attention. The portal also offers mental health support, emergency contact details, and wellness program to promote a healthy lifestyle. Students can manage their immunization records, stay updated with health alerts, and access practical health tips. Tools like the BMI and calories calculators help students monitor their health and make informed decisions. The facts section provides quick answers to common queries. and the feedback features allow students to suggest improvements. Overall, the UiTM Student Hub portal is a user-friendly tool that plays a crucial role in fostering a healthy and thriving student community by providing essential health service, resource, and support.
Okay, for 8.0 Q&A, so number one, the question is what motivate your group to develop the choosing system? We aim to make the health services easier for the UiTM-ARA student. First, many face a long wait, unclear information on medical services, and trouble booking appointment. Our system simplifies the healthcare access, appointment booking, health tips, and BMI and calorie calculation, making it more accessible and organized. For the number two, how can your system be integrated with other systems to create an online one-stop center system for the UiTM student? So our system can seamlessly integrate with the UiTM student portal, UiTM iStudent, by linking the student record with the appointment booking system. It can connect UiTM payment gateway for the medical services that require the fee. Additionally, integrating with the UiTM emergency response system and UST clinic allow the real-time update on the doctor availability and appointment status. So the number three, what are the advantages of your system? Our system offer a user-friendly interface with a simple menu navigation, automate appointment booking to the reduce the manual work, provide health tips, BMI calculation, and calorie tracking, display the university emergency contact, and ensure easy access to the healthcare services anytime. For the number four, how can your system be upgraded or maintained in the future? Our system can be upgraded in the future by integrating a database to store student medical story for the better tracking, adding an AI chatbot for the instant health related responses, converting it into an online portal or the mobile app, and implementing the real time notification and send reminder for the appointment. So for the number five, what is the significance of your system to the targeted user organization or society? Our system simplify healthcare access for students, improving their well-being. For the UiTM, it enhance the clinic efficiency and reduce the administrative tasks. For the society, it raise awareness of the preventive healthcare, contributing to the healthier university community. For the number six, what is the novelty of your system compared to the similar or existing system? Our system is uniquely designed for the UiTM student. Unlike the traditional hospital appointment system, it features the doctor categorization based on symptom, BMI calculation, and calorie tracking. Additionally, it's lightweight and require minimal resources, making it the ideal for on-campus use. For number seven, what the constraint in developing your system? Our system faces several constraints, limited libraries, as it only use the IO stream and string, restricting the advanced feature like database, no online connectivity, meaning it can sync with the UiTM real-time record and manual data handling, lacking the automation for the patient record and history tracking. For the number eight, what the suggestion and recommendation to overcome the limitation of your system? To overcome the limitation of our system, we suggest implementing a database using the SQL or the Firebase for student record. Using the API to integrate with the UiTM student information system, developing a web-based or the mobile version for the greater accessibility, and adding the QR code scanning for the easier check-in at the university clinic. So for the number nine, what are the most challenging feature or the element of your system during the developer, why, and the most challenging feature during the development were the doctor assignment logic, which require the careful structuring to ensure the symptom correctly mapped to the right specialist. The payment system, which was tricky to handle without the database on the online connectivity, and the user input handling, which needed the extra attention to validate numeric and string input while keeping the system error-free. And number 10, what is the most valuable experience you gain throughout this group project? The most valuable experience we gained throughout this group project was learning how to structure a real-world health management system using C++, which significantly improved our problem solving and programming skill. We also acquire valuable experience in the user experience design, ensuring that our system remains simple yet functional. Most importantly, we understood the importance of healthcare accessibility for the student and how technology can improve it.